हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम ट्विंकल। वेलकम टू नॉलेज गाइड यूट्यूब चैनल। जनरल साइंस में आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं स्पेशल 50 मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस, जो कि आपके एग्जाम में देखने को मिलते हैं, बहुत रिपीटेड है। सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, which of the following is a free living bacteria that helps in nitrogen fixation? Correct answer option A, azotobacter. Next one, question number 2, which is non-green heterotrophic plant of plant kingdom? Correct answer option B, fungi. Next, question number 3, dinoflagellates, slime, mood, iglinoids, protozoans are grouped under which kingdom? Correct answer option B, protista. Next one, question number 4, silver fiber revolution is associated to dash. Correct answer option D, cotton. Next one, question number 5, what is the scientific name of wheat? Correct answer option A, triticum. Next one, question number 6, which of the following is not a stem modification? Correct answer option C, tuber of sweet potato. Next one, question number 7, which of the following transports water from the roots of the plant to its leaves? Correct answer option A, xylem. Next one, question number 8, the technique of the development of fruits without fertilization is known as dash. Correct answer option B, parthenocarpy. Next one, question number 9, who written the book The Origin of Species? Correct answer option D, Darwin. Next one, question number 10, which of the following is a genetic disease? Correct answer option A, Down syndrome. Next one, question number 11, who among the following proposed the 5 kingdom classification? Correct answer option A, R.H. Whitaker. Next one, question number 12, crossing over occurs during which phase? Correct answer option C, Pakitin. Next one, question number 13, which of the following is not a connective tissue? Correct answer option C, cardiac muscle. Next one, question number 14, yellow spots on citrus leaves is due to the deficiency of dash. Correct answer option B, magnesium. Next one, question number 15, what is the thick vein present in the middle of the leaf called? Correct answer option A, midrib. Next one, question number 16, scientific study of birds is called dash. Correct answer option D, ornithology. Next one, question number 17, which among the following is a food tube? Answer option D, oesophagus. Next one, question number 18, what is the pH value of human blood? Correct answer option D, 7.4. Next, question number 19, which of the following gland secretes growth hormone? Correct answer option B, pituitary gland. Next one, question number 20, which of the following is a vestigial organ? Correct answer option B, appendix. Next, question number 21, the virus of AIDS affect the growth of dash. Answer option number C, T cells in blood. Next one, question number 22, highest source of air pollution in the world is dash. Correct answer option A, automobiles. Next one, question number 23, Cactus is referred to as dash. Answer option C, xerophyte. Next one, question number 24, which of the following quantity does not have unit? Correct answer option A, stress. Next question, number 25. In the equation V equal to U plus AT, V represent 2 dash. Correct answer Option B, final velocity, where U represent the initial velocity. Next one, question number 27. Linear momentum is equal to dash. Correct answer option A, mass into velocity. Next one, question number 27. Dash is the rate of doing work. Correct answer option C, power. Next one, question number 28. What is Earth's escape velocity? Correct answer option C, 11.2 km per second. Next question, question number 29. What is the frequency of ultrasonic wave? Correct answer option D, greater than 20 kHz. Next one, question number 30. Which of the following electromagnetic radiation has the maximum energy? Correct answer option D, X-rays. Next question, number 31. Which color is formed when red and green are mixed? Correct answer option B, yellow color. Next question, number 32. In which part of human eye image is formed? Correct answer option C, retina. Next one, question number 33. Farad is the unit of dash. Correct answer option C, capacitance. Next one, question number 34. Which of the following is a good electrical conductor? Correct answer option A, graphite. Next one, question number 35. Which finger shows the direction of current in Fleming's left hand rule? Correct answer option B, middle finger. Next one, question number 36. Who among the following has explained the phenomenon of photoelectric effect? Correct answer option B, Albert Einstein. Next one, question number 37. Which of the following is a semiconductor? Correct answer option number D, germanium. Next one, question number 38. Integrated circuits are made up of which of the following? Correct answer option number B, silicon. Next one, question number 39. What is the temperature of the surface of the sun? Correct answer option A, 5800 degrees Celsius. Next one, question number 40. The product of equivalent weight and valency of an element is equal to dash. Correct answer option D, molecular weight. Next one, question number 41. Atomic bomb is based on which of the following principle? Correct answer option B, uncontrolled nuclear fission. Next one, question number 42. Why liquid water is denser than ice? Correct answer option B, hydrogen bonding. Next one, question number 43. Aquaregia is a mixture of the following in the ratio 1:3 by volume. Correct answer A, concentrated HNO3 and concentrated HCl. Next one, question number 44. Which is a natural colloid? Correct answer option number C, blood. Next one, question number 45. Which of the following is not a noble gas? Correct answer option B, hydrogen. Next one, question number 46. How many isotopes are there in hydrogen element? Correct answer option B, 3. Next one, question number 47. What is the chemical name of slaked lime? Correct answer option D, calcium hydroxide. Next one, question number 48. LPG is a mixture of dash. Correct answer option C, methane and propane. Next one, question number 49. Which of the following acid found in apple? Correct answer option A, malic acid. Next one, question number 50. When a substance loses oxygen during a reaction, it is called dash. Correct answer option B, reduction. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exam focused lessons and general science MCQ, one-liner and exam related discussion etc. Thank you to all.